Recently, Shiba Inu experienced a significant double-digit surge amid the broader market crypto relief rally. Shiba Inu has faced challenging periods in the past few months, losing its position on the ranking of the most prominent cryptocurrencies. However, the digital asset now shows signs of a turnaround. Currently, Shiba Inu trades at approximately $0.00007812, with a cumulative 7-day growth of over 11%. With its 24-hour volume above $124 million, Shiba Inu could be eyeing to eliminate its fifth decimal point to reach $0.000001. Nonetheless, Shiba Inu investors have set their sights higher. They hope to witness the complete elimination of the leading zeros to achieve a milestone such as the 1 cent. This dream of reaching 1 cent per Shib token has been a driving force for investors who aspire to achieve millionaire status when Shiba Inu hits the 1 cent mark.